I'm going to show you one of the simplest, most visual ways to convert metric units. And it's super easy to remember. You start by drawing a straight horizontal line. In the center, write the base unit, whether it's gram, meter, or liter, depending on what you're converting. On the right side, draw 3 small lines and label them from center outward, deci, centi, and milli. On the left side, draw 3 small lines and label them from center outward, deca, hecto, and kilo. And it will look something like this. Each step represents multiplying or dividing by 10. Moving to the right means multiply by 10 for each step. And moving to the left means dividing by 10 for each step. For example, convert 1 gram to milligram. Gram is located at the center as our base unit, and we are going to move 3 steps to the right in order to reach the milligram. Meaning, from our 1 gram here, since the decimal of a whole number is placed at its end, moving 3 steps to the right also means adding 3 zeros to it. This means 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. To double check, we have to remember every step to the right means multiply by 10. So this means 1 times 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1,000. This method makes it super easy to shift decimals and convert between units. No need to memorize complicated formulas. Go to part 2 for more examples.